Healthy lifestyle. In this video, I will share some general principles and tips that can help you make healthier food choices. If you want to improve your health, one of the most important things you can do is to pay attention to what you eat. Your diet affects not only your weight, but also your energy levels, your mood, your immune system, and your risk of various diseases. But with so much conflicting information out there, how do you know what's good to eat? Here are some key points to remember. Eat a variety of foods from different food groups. This will ensure that you get a balanced intake of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Try to include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and low-fat dairy products in your daily meals and snacks. Choose foods that are minimally processed and close to their natural state. These foods tend to have more nutrients and less additives, preservatives, salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats than processed foods. For example, choose fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables over canned or dried ones, whole grains over refined grains, and plain yogurt over flavored yogurt. Limit your intake of foods that are high in calories, fat, sugar, and salt. These foods can contribute to weight gain, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, and other health problems. Some examples of foods to avoid or limit are fast food, fried food, sweets, pastries, sodas, juices, sauces, dressings, and snacks. Drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. Water is essential for your body's functions and helps flush out toxins and waste products. It also helps you feel full and prevents overeating. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, or more if you exercise or sweat a lot. You can also drink other fluids such as tea, coffee, milk, or soup, but avoid beverages that are high in sugar or caffeine.